Hi Avon friends, I'm new to the Tiny Tilia hand puppet family. My name is Dilly Piggy, and you can find me in the Avon book for $5.99. Yes, that's right, I'm $5.99. And my item number is 429320. That's 429320. And you can ask my Avon lady. My Avon lady is Lord. Hi, I'm the Avon lady for Dilly Piggy. You can ask me or your local Avon lady for details on Dilly Piggy and his close friends in your latest Avon book. My number is 909-524-6782 and my web address is youravon.com/LCINZALIAN. And this is Dilly Piggy. You can find me in the Kids Club section. I'm great with kids. I'm great with everyone. Are you a caretaker? Take me home for your little ones. So I'll come wee all the way home with you for $5.99. Just make sure to get your local Avon book. So see you soon.